Child with dyslexia processes everything that they see. So they enter school. Oh, this is like nice and bright. Oh, that is new. Oh my goodness, my teacher's like in a horrible mood today. Oh, my friend got like new shoes. Oh, lovely. Oh, what is here? So wherever they look, that is where they process. So now the teacher is talking to them, and now the friend here next to me is playing with their stationery. The moment when I move my eyes away from where I need to focus, I look at the stationery and like now I start processing here. You know, you're actually like irritating me, but I have no idea what you are like doing. In that moment, I have no idea what the teacher actually gave me because I'm not looking. So these children as well, they're watching television. They're like, hey, would you like to have like some ice cream, Thomas? By Thomas, they will like go around and like, oh, yes, you were talking to me? If they don't look where the information is coming from, it's just noise. They're aware of it. They hear it. There's nothing wrong with their ears, but they didn't process it.